up, everybody? Welcome back. It's another day, another video. We're getting at it a little bit late today, but we are back at it and we're gonna get this done. So this is the photo we're doing right here. So let's get at it. Go up. Oops. A little bit, up a little bit. Someone asked, how do I choose what to take a photo of? And my answer is, I usually have something that just catches my eye. And then I go, huh. Or I go looking around, just kind of pinpointing my eyes at something until I find it. And then I take a photo of it. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not. It's just a part of the game. Shoot for as good as you can get each time and hope that you come walking away with something. Well, there are probably some people who are like, nah, I go in, I know exactly what I'm getting, I get that. That's great. Sometimes I have that. A lot of the time, especially with these, it's really just, what am I finding? Just a bit of yellow, bit of green. Texture, clarity, please. It'll be nice. Color, more color. Finally get more than once. Detail, smoothness. Okay, now we mask. Now we masking away. Yeah, mask it away. So this is gonna be the centerpiece, or centerpiece, right here. That's where we want the eye drawn. Just a bit. Up in the shadow. Okay. That bushel to be the center focus point. So now we're gonna duplicate invert. Bring this out just a bit more. Nice blend. Okay. take some texture up on the texture, but back on the clarity a bit. These shadows. Okay. Right now, we're gonna do Zach Special, LayZ Special. Okay. Texture, some clarity. Shrink. All right, that's gonna do it. I'm liking that. Sweet. Have a good one. We'll see you tomorrow for the next. Bye bye.
Your clothes are red!
I got